So here we have international crackdown. Illicit danger, monkey meat and olives. Painted olives. Global police crackdown. This is just recent, a couple of days ago. Again, this is where people live in a fairy tale world. They think, wow, the world's a really great place. And it's like, oh my god, it's like, I want to have vegan babies and like have a revolution. It ain't gonna motherfucking happen, sweeties. Alright? Yesterday, Freely was on one of the biggest TV shows here in Australia. And she fucking owned this dumbass nutritionist. Fucking owned her on national TV. Freely owned her. And all the most of the dumb cunt vegan Facebook groups in Australia go, oh my god, Freely's such an idiot. That nutritionist was awesome. So the vegans of Australia, the vegans in Perth, vegans of Melbourne, vegans of Adelaide groups, etc., would rather back a meat-eating nutritionist who's backed by Meat and Dairy Livestock Australia, endorsing that product, than back our very own homegrown vegan celebrity, Freely Banana Girl. That's how fucked up the world is. Anyway, I digress. The world's not getting better. It's getting motherfucking worse. So if you want to have kids, if you already got them, good. If you haven't got them, don't have them. Because it ain't going to be a good future for them. It's going to be a fucked up future. Enjoy it while you got it. Anyway, a lot of people don't like that truth, do they? They don't like that truth. Oh my god, I've got to click off this video. There's too much truth here. Anyway, so we had Thai police destroyed 30 tons of illegal beef. Why not turn it into dog food? You know, like why we just, it's just crazy. Honey's fucked up. Indonesia found 70 kilograms of chicken intestines preserved in formalin. Sorry. You know what I mean? Like, that's what gets fed to the tourists. You know, I love all these fucking dumb idiot fucks who go to Ubud or whatever. I'm a little spiritual. I'm eating my little chicken slice lick and it's really good. It's like local food. You're a dumb cunt. You're a dumb cunt. And thousands of cans of sardines with fake labels. Famous bread. Just crazy shit. Anyway, this is the bottom line. Today's rising food prices and the global nature of food chain offer the opportunity for criminals to sell counterfeit and substandard food in a multi-billion criminal industry. It's just, the world's under the pump, man. And shortcuts are going to be taken more and more and more as the human population grows and expands. And more motherfuckers want to eat meat, and it's just, people need more money, and it's just a fucking shortcut, man. It's just a fucking jungle out there. Just letting you know.